This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Linda Schmidt. Spacious turnkey carriage home waiting for you to hang your beach hat. Split floor plan gives you privacy when you have guests or need to work from home in your desk alcove or one of the 3 bedrooms. Plenty of living space with a great lake view. Each bedroom has an ensuite and large walk-in closet and can accommodate a king-sized bed. Separate formal dining room and a 2-car garage with room for guest parking in driveway. Loads of cabinets and generous walk-in pantry, new dishwasher, stove and refrigerator. Bell Tower is located near great shopping, restaurants and SWFL Airport. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Schmidt at 239-293-8150.